Hello guys, Moose Center here, and today we will be doing a transformation video. That's right, my old pal Jammer 27YRFC is retiring, and all of her items are now mine. See all those promos? Yep, those are all mine too. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's see what they transferred to me first. So we have Alpha Armor, Metchin, Spike, Shark Fin, Melody Bow, Big Hair Rollers, Finch Brocker, New Year's Mask. There's some pretty good stuff in this trade. I mean, they are quitting, so got it all. Okay. Let's see what new neck items I have. This? Oh, I have a beard. Apari, rest in peace. Okay. Nice tail. Okay, I think this will be my new main, so I have to change my polar bear too. Oh my gosh, that's so cute, but whatever. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This. This. And this. Perfecto. My twin. Oh, the hat. And the wings. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Oh, yeah, bubble chair back. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking all of the stuff that I don't need and recycling it. The stuff that I don't recycle will become no. Almost all done. Okay, so it looks like I don't have much stuff left. But that's okay, because now I have 31,000 gems. Now, it's time to trade den items. Nice masterpiece, balloons, nice music. Actually, den items. I need to buy a new den, but I don't have enough. Oh, but I have gems. Okay, go and buy a new den. My first member den on this account. So, I'm thinking that I want to go. I mean, I want the beach house, but it's not out. That would be a nice den to use. No, I think I want the fantasy castle. Okay. Let's see. No, actually, whatever. Okay, I'll get that later. But now, it's time to get some den betas. Alright, I have bubble chat. That's sad. Okay, well, anyway, I need somewhere that will take gems. Also, my giveaway is these two things. So comment down below, you know, why you want it, blah blah blah, everything else. Okay, so yes, and that will be the end of the video. Bye. No, I meant bye. Okay, bye, guys.